Hey everyone, this is Erin from Don's Appliances, and today we're going to talk about 5 key things that are going to help you not feel like your laundry is such a chore. First thing we have, and I personally find it one of the easiest, is the GE Profile all-in-one washer and dryer combo. It is a set it and forget it type of machine. It is perfect if you just throw everything in. You're a busy lifestyle. You can do everything you need, wash, dry, everything's through here. You even have your dispenser through here, your softener through here, everything. All in one, the easiest thing to just make laundry a little bit easier. Number 2, fast wash. Most units do have a quick wash cycle, but I like this Electrolux style the best because of this feature right here, that 15-minute fast wash, quick, easy, 15 minutes in, throw it in the dryer, on to the next wash. Number 3, one of my personal favorites is this Whirlpool removable agitator. This is awesome if you have any delicate clothes or you just need a little bit extra capacity. By removing this, you're going to have an agitator-free system, but then you also can just add it back in if you really need to make sure that your clothes are, dirty, heavily soiled, and you really want to get that extra action to make sure those stains get out. Super easy to take out, even easier to put back in. All you're going to do is line it back up and twist. Number 4, the quick step wash and dry that you can get in a lot of the different washers. This specifically is the GE. Maytag has this option, Whirlpool has this option, and what the point is it's not going to add heat into the washer like you would get in the all-in-one from GE Profile. However, it is going to add air. So it's going to start kind of kickstarting that drying process. So if you have things in there, you know you're going to be busy all day, but you don't want to come home and have the entire load of clothes completely sopping wet, you can use that. Even smaller loads, any like moisture wicking material, dry fit material, it even is going to actually start to almost completely dry those clothes. So great for back-to-back sports games. Number 5, here we have the LG Styler, which is essentially a freestanding steamer. What I love about this is the fact that it already is going to come with 2 hangers and a place to actually press and crease your pants. But not only is it great for clothes, but it's also great for sanitizing things. So after you go on vacation, if you're in a hotel room, and pillows, stuffed animals, blankets, anything that kids have that they don't necessarily want washed, throw it in the steamer. It's going to help sanitize, and it has a really nice built-in mirror. So it's really great to put next to a washer and dryer combo in a closet. Doesn't always have to just necessarily be in your laundry room. So, huge fan, and this was your number 5.